Thank you for clicking our video. You can also shop over 4,000 more cars and trucks online at edmartin.com.
Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2023 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, brake assist, daytime running lights, privacy glass, four-wheel disc brakes, variable speed, intermittent wipers, keyless entry, auxiliary audio input. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
Nine convenient locations, 12 top-selling brands, and over 4,000 new and used cars and trucks online at edmartin.com. Ed Martin is the only name you need to know.